Hey guys, welcome back to the Swine Backyard Barbecue, where in this episode, we're throwing these ribeyes on the Weber Performer using the Titan Grid Outdoors kettle style attachment. And we're having breakfast for dinner. That's right. Now, I'll be using some red oak splits, and I'll be seasoning these ribeyes with just SPG, salt, pepper, and garlic. So what I'm making for you is something my fiance makes for me. And actually, she's going to be doing the cooking. I'm going to be cooking the ribeye. She's going to put it all together. But this is something she makes for me. And I'm telling you guys, we already know about ribeyes. We already know how great they are. And a lot of people don't like to do nothing else to them because they're good as is. But when made this way, it is like throwing steroids on your taste buds, because god damn is it fucking good. All right, apologize for all the cursing. So anyways, so we're having breakfast for dinner, and I'm just gonna cook these steaks up just the way I cook steaks, medium rare. And I'm not even gonna temp them. I know when they're done already, I can feel them. They end up between that nice threshold of medium rare to medium, which in my perspective, in my opinion, you can't go wrong with anywhere between the range of rare to medium. Anywhere in that ballpark, you're gonna have a good steak. It just becomes a preference to how you like it. Now, I can hit anywhere in that almost rare to medium, and I'm satisfied. So that's just how I roll. So I'm just going to go ahead and just flip these guys over and over and until they feel done. And I'm going to take them off, slice them, and then I'm going to give the baton to my fiance, and she's going to continue on. And what she makes, it's simple. It's just so stupid simple, but it's so goddamn good and delicious. Stay tuned and don't miss this.
Simple.
Oh man. What kind of cheese is that?
Cheddar.
Sharp cheddar?
Yes.
Oh my god, I can't believe this. This little concoction is what heaven tastes like. Whoa, 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 whoa. So, this is how it's done. Basically, it's like a gigantic taco. It's not a burrito. But this thing, let me take a bite of this. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is so freaking good. Oh my god. You know what? This right here, where you guys at? Right there. There you are. This right here, I swear, it's a treat. You got the ribeye, you got the sharp cheddar, you got the 2 eggs over easy, or fried, or whatever you want to call it. What else we got? Oh, we got the tortilla. The tortilla. This ain't no average, ordinary tortilla. This tortilla is made at a special place where they do it almost by hand. This is like some secret ingredient type of shit. Look at that. Mmm. Mmm. Serrano chile. This is heaven. For dinner, for breakfast, for brunch. Take that ribeye. I mean, ribeye is good on its own, right? We know that. We already know that. But take that ribeye to another level. Another level with some huevo. I'm telling you. Check that out. Look at that. Mmm. That is delicious. I can't even explain this. I can't even explain these flavors. Mmm. Hello?
Yes.
You did it again. Come here. Come here. Come here. Mmm. That was one hell of a deserved kiss right there. You guys want a kiss? Then you better make this. Oh yeah.